bird dog rows. Bird dog rows are surprisingly challenging. The thing I want you to think about as you do it is keeping your shin parallel to the ground or as best you can. So your bird dog is a movement that can look like that. I like to do mine following my hand, so mine will often look something like that. But what we're going to be doing now is the same position, but with an elevation and then adding in a row to the movement. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up. I probably like the variation where people are on their forearm the best because it creates a more stable structure. But it's obviously easier than the variation I'll show you in a second. But I'm in this position, and then I'm going to look forward, and I'm going to row, and then bring the bell back down. And again, I'm trying to pull my shoulder blades together and bring up the bell. So it's a row. I just happen to be a little less stable. I'll switch sides and I'll show you the other side using the arm, or using the hand, sorry. Yep, and that's going to be the other side. It is. So with the hand, again, I'm trying to keep that knee close to parallel with the ground. Bit harder at this point. And then I'm going to keep my eyes up, shoulder blades together, and I'm going to row. Okay, and if you can add the extension of the other leg in, that's great. If you can't, it's probably not the end of the world. It's a bonus rather than the main dish. When you do fire the other leg back, you do feel your cheeks, your backside. So the bird dog row is a surprisingly cool exercise that I think you'll enjoy. We do 5 chest presses, 5 rows when we pair them up.